Take ears and eyes wide open and let's go. Take a butter knife or flat screwdriver and insert it between the headphone housing and the side of the AirPod cushion. Then gently push the AirPod off with your tool and it will separate from the headphone housing. As you can see, the AirPod is held to the headphones by these few plastic hooks. The foam filter is simply put in and you simply can take it out. You can get new AirPod cushions replacements from online shops. The link to them is in the video description. Put the foam filter back with its right side down. To put the AirPod cushion back on, you have to take it so that the AirPod 2 pins are on the same side as the holes on the headphone body. Then simply put the pod on top and press it in several places until you hear a few clicks. This will mean that the AirPod cushion is locked in place. That's it. Hope this was helpful. Good luck!